Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can edit your blur photos into a high definition photos using the EPIK Photo Editor. So in here you just need to open the EPIK apps, and then here at the home page you'll see enhance. So just click on the enhance option, then choose the photo that you want to change into a high definition photo. Okay, let's say I want to change this photo. Now the high resolution AI conversion is in progress. Okay, so you can see the progress on before and the after. Here is the before and here is the after, and there are three options that you can choose: clear, natural, and soft. So this is the clear version of the high definitions or resolution. This one is the natural, and the last one is soft. So you can just choose which one that you think you like the best. I'm gonna go with natural, I think, and then you can just click on this check icon. Oops. Okay, I'm going to go with natural. Click on this check icon, and then you can also edit another elements in the EPIK. You can add some filter maybe or effects, but if you don't, you can just click on the arrow down to download it. Okay, so that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye.